What are the best products for commercial bar tops? In this video, I'm going to show you the benefits of Sensitile Terrazzo, a unique light reactive material for commercial bar design. Coming up. Hey, Rick Usville again from Cabaret Design Group, where I share my personal tips and ideas on bar design, drafter system design, and product reviews. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and check out the show notes and links in the YouTube description below. Now let's jump into the show. Looking for a unique design solution for your commercial bar top? Granite is no longer the benchmark for quality commercial bar tops. If you're looking for a most unique high-end solution for your commercial bar top, consider Sensitile Terrazzo by Sensitile Systems, an architectural products company specializing in light reactive hard surfaces for commercial applications. I've had the pleasure of working with Sensitile on a recent commercial bar design and wanted to tell those who may be unaware of this fine product. Today I have the pleasure of taking you behind the scenes at Sensitile for an inside look at their fascinating product line.
Today I'm talking with Molly Green, who's in charge of samples at Sensitile Systems, a company that has quite a lot of interesting architectural products. Can you tell me what these products are, Molly?
So these products I have here are some of our terrazzo fine concrete materials. The idea behind these materials is that they are interactive. They pick up light and they twinkle and shimmer in response to movement and light and shadow. These little chips or points, you could call them, are actually optical resin that's embedded into the terrazzo.
And there's a network below the surface that interconnects these, is that right?
Yes, that's correct. They're paired up with each other. So when you move your hand across one of them, the other one does something. So you can see it's just twinkling with my hand. It'll also react to colors, light, that kind of a thing.
So the product is not electronic in any way, rather the surface particles are interactive with light. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. This is just a tile, just no special wiring, no sensors or anything. It's all very low maintenance and low tech.
So these interactive surface particles, I see them arranged in various configurations. Like the one you have your hand on is rather random looking, and the one next to it has more of a pattern appearance. Is that right?
Yes. We can do a variety of different patterns. This one is just grid. This one is random. You can also do different sizes. This one here has got the slightly larger pieces. You can do different shapes. There are custom options as well. So there's really a wide variety of different things you can do.
And I understand you had mentioned that LED lighting can be used in conjunction with your product. Can you explain to me how that LED lighting would be set up?
Yeah, so this is our interactive material, which, as we said, doesn't require any particular special electronics or lighting. This is just sort of using ambient light. However, we do have another material type, which is called terrazzo lumina. This is also often used for bar tops, bar fronts, stairs, all sorts of different things. I will line these up for you. So it's the same sort of idea with these little points inside of them. However, this is designed, to actually have light inside of it. So the light is placed on the edge and travels through the panel.
It can travel how far from one side, would you say?
For this material, it will go about 4 or 5 feet from one edge.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and the advantage to having that edge lighting there is you don't need to move this big slab. If you have to get to the lights, you just slide the lights out.
You have another slab that has like a turn-down edge that you might use for a bar top that you could also light. Could you show me that?
Yes, we do, like I said, do fabrication things. You can do edges, corners. This one has that drop down. So it's basically shaped like an L, and this is actually where the lights would go. This is pretty popular for bar tops because you have kind of basically a little bit of a hidden light there. but again, it's still pretty easy to get to if you need it. So you've just
Oh,
got
yeah.
that right there on the edge.
So that particular shape would be good for whether you're illuminating the bar top or not with a drop-down edge. This one here, the advantage that it has, of course, is that your lighting is concealed and it's easily accessible from the bottom side, right?
Yes, that's correct. And this drop down is probably about 3 inches or so. You can make it shorter, longer, whichever you like.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. What, regarding commercial bar top applications, can your product be manufactured to a radius condition?
Yes, I actually have a radius here. Move these guys over. So this one is just a simple curved piece.
Mm-hmm.
Now this
That
is
could be like the apron.
Yeah, and this is a fairly wide radius, but you can do something much tighter. You can actually do 3D shapes more or less. So I don't think there's a minimum. You can just make it into a variety of different things, just whatever the form can make, basically.
Nice. Yeah. Okay, I think that rather covers it for now, Molly. Thank you very much for all your time.
Yes, thank you for having me.
If you're in search of a high-quality, high-value solution for your commercial bar top, consider the many unique benefits of using Sensitile Terrazzo.